Are you over 18 years old and seeking a way to boost your financial situation? Introducing the Solo Ad Masterclass, your gateway to financial success through online marketing. Our program offers comprehensive training designed specifically for your needs. Led by industry expert William McRae, this course is a game changer. We provide free access to premium guidance on solo ads and affiliate sales funnels. Learn effective strategies for Google Ads and Facebook lead generation. Discover the power of YouTube advertising to expand your reach. Master the art of retargeting to optimize your online campaigns. Transition from financial struggles to a life of abundance with our expert training. We teach you how to sell solo ads and leverage online advertising effortlessly. Our course is designed to change the way you think about online business. Benefit from real testimonials highlighting our practical and accessible approach. Participants rave about how quickly they saw results and built revenue streams. You don't need previous experience to succeed with our course. Harness the limitless potential of online marketing to secure your future. Our program empowers you to build a sustainable online business. Imagine generating steady income without leaving the comfort of your home. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your financial future. Join a community of successful entrepreneurs who have walked the path before you. Start today in the Solo Ad Masterclass and start your journey to financial freedom. Did we mention there is no charge for any training on the website?